In this video, I'll teach you how to use the automatic form field recognition tool on PDFelement for Mac to quickly transform your PDF forms into fully active fillable forms. Let's get started. First, import a blank copy of your original form. Under the Form tab, click the Form Field Recognition button from the menu displayed. In seconds, PDFelement identifies and applies interactive form fields for you. Using the toolbar, you can also add radio buttons, checkboxes, drop-down buttons, and more. Or press the Delete key to remove any fields you don't want included. Double-click on any field to customize its appearance and action as needed. Now your form has become an electronically fillable and interactive PDF form. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. Plus, check out the rest of my videos for other useful ways to improve your daily routine working with PDFs. Thanks, and see you next time!